going to be extremely cold and snowing this weekend, so we're gonna go grocery shopping today because I do not plan on leaving my house this entire weekend. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it is freezing out here. I'm gonna take some mac and cheese for those easy meal day. I want to make some nachos for the kids this weekend, so I need cheese and tortilla chips. We're done with the first stop. I still gotta go and pick up the true groceries, which is veggies, meats, and all that good stuff. Oh my gosh. This store, I actually have a list because I do not want to forget anything. Finally made it out. It was such a rush in there. It was so packed. I am sure that I forgot a couple ingredients.